everyone, it's Margaret here at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to give you an idea of what's inside this kit. It is so beautiful. It's made with the Outdoorsy line. It's a beautiful star that measures 85 by 85, so it's a nice size quilt. You could easily put this on top of your full-size bed, and it has an extra tool inside that makes it easy and when you're cutting this kit. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So it comes with the Omni Grip ruler that you need to cut the stars and the points on the stars. So it has everything you need included in here with the ruler. Then it also has the big star sky pattern, which has beautiful colored pictures inside and instructions on how to do the whole quilt. And so let's take a look at, and of course you get your Moto thank you card. Let's look at the fabric inside this quilt kit. So inside this quilt kit, we have the solid beige, which is a beautiful Moto Bella. That's the background of the stars. And then for the stars, we have cuts of all the prints in the line so that you can make the star points with all of these prints. And they're very, very beautiful. A lot of these cool plaids. This is like a real cabiny looking outdoorsy feel. So it'd be great for your vacation home, anyone that loves the outdoors. It's just a great overall pattern, and it's big enough to make a nice size throw. So all the fabric you need, the pattern, and everything you need comes in the box so you can get started on it. The only thing you'll be missing is the backing to the fabric. Let's hope you enjoyed this show, and happy sewing.